Important news for journalists and their families targeted by underground criminal gangs working for political parties, Kabza Mafia, for exposing the crimes. President Biden, in light of the targeted killing of journalists in Pakistan, introduced an emergency asylum procedure. Facility is available for individuals whose life and their family's life is at risk. As you can see in this video, point-blank shooting of a reporter by the police, individuals like her with this evidence are immediately qualified. If you're a journalist, your life and your family is at risk, please like, subscribe, share, and contact us for additional details coming out only on Markaz Group TV USA channel. Journalists of Pakistan are thankful to President Biden for their help at this crucial time. Truth is under attack, individual rights are under attack, public life is under attack, political parties smoke and mirror, the humanity is suffering.